IN-HIN-NIN verbs, examples 76 to 100. Root word, sisi, sisi, meaning blame. Infinitive form, sisihin, sisihin, to blame someone. Present tense, sinisisi, sinisisi, blaming someone. Past tense, sinisi, sinisi, blamed someone. Future tense, sisihin, sisihin, will blame someone. Root word, cepilyo, cepilyo, meaning toothbrush. Infinitive form, cepilyohin, cepilyohin, to brush one's teeth. Present tense, sinesepilyo, sinesepilyo, brushing one's teeth. Past tense, sinepilyo, sinepilyo, brushed one's teeth. Future tense, sesepilyohin, sesepilyohin, will brush one's teeth. Root word, suklay, suklay, meaning comb. Infinitive form, suklayin, suklayin, to comb one's hair. Present tense, sinusuklay, sinusuklay, combing one's hair. Past tense, sinuklay, sinuklay, combed one's hair. Future tense, susuklayin, susuklayin, will comb one's hair. Root word, sulat, sulat, meaning letter. Infinitive form, sulatin, sulatin, to write something. Present tense, sinusulat, sinusulat, writing something. Past tense, sinulat, sinulat, wrote something. Future tense, susulatin, susulatin, will write something. Root word, sundo, sundo, meaning a person who will pick someone up. Infinitive form, sunduin, sunduin, to fetch or pick someone up. Present tense, sinusundo, sinusundo, fetching someone. Past tense, sinundo, sinundo, fetched someone. Future tense, susunduin, susunduin, will fetch someone. Root word, sunog, sunog, meaning fire. Infinitive form, sunugin, sunugin, to burn something intentionally. Present tense, sinusunog, sinusunog, burning something. Past tense, sinunog, sinunog, burned something. Future tense, susunugin, susunugin, will burn something. Root word, suntok, suntok, meaning punch. Infinitive form, suntukin, suntukin, to punch someone. Present tense, sinusuntok, sinusuntok, punching someone. Past tense, sinuntok, sinuntok, punched someone. Future tense, susuntukin, susuntukin, will punch someone. Root word, tawag, tawag, meaning call. Infinitive form, tawagin, tawagin, to call someone. Present tense, tinatawag, tinatawag, calling someone. Past tense, tinawag, tinawag, called someone. Future tense, tatawagin, tatawagin, will call someone. Root word, tawid, tawid. Infinitive form, tawirin, tawirin, meaning to cross a street or body of water. Present tense, tinatawid, tinatawid, crossing a street. Past tense, tinawid, tinawid, crossed. Future tense, tatawirin. Tatawirin, will cross a street. Root word, trabaho. Trabaho, meaning job or work. Infinitive form, trabahuhin. Trabahuhin, to work on something. Present tense, tinatrabaho. Tinatrabaho, working on something. Past tense, tinrabaho. Tinrabaho, worked on something. Future tense, tatrabahuhin. Tatrabahuhin, will work on something. Root word, tugtog. Tugtog, meaning sound of music. Infinitive form, tugtugin. Tugtugin, to play a certain song or music. Present tense, tinutugtog. Tinutugtog, playing a song or music. Past tense, tinugtog. Tinugtog, played a song or music. Future tense, tutugtugin. Tutugtugin, will play a song or music. Root word, ubos. Ubos, meaning used up. Infinitive form, ubusin. Ubusin, to consume something. Present tense, inuubos. Inuubos, consuming something. Past tense, inubos. Inubos, consumed something. Future tense, uubusin. Uubusin, will consume something. Root word, utang. Utang, meaning debt. Infinitive form, utangin. Utangin, to borrow money. Present tense, inuutang. Inuutang, borrowing money. Past tense, inutang. Inutang, borrowed money. Future tense, uutangin. Uutangin, will borrow money. Root word, yaya. Yaya, infinitive form, yayain. Yayain, meaning to invite someone to come along or do something. Present tense, niyayaya. Niyayaya, inviting someone. Past tense, niyaya. Niyaya, invited someone. Future tense, yayayain. Yayayain, will invite someone. Root word, abuso. Abuso, meaning abuse. Infinitive form, abusuhin. Abusuhin, to abuse. Present tense, inaabuso. Inaabuso, abusing. Past tense, inabuso. Inabuso, abused. Future tense, aabusuhin. Aabusuhin, will abuse. Root word, atake. Atake, meaning attack. Infinitive form, atakihin. Atakihin, to attack. Present tense, inaatake. Inaatake, being attacked. Past tense, inatake. Inatake, attacked. Future tense, aatakihin. Aatakihin, will attack. Root word, insulto. Insulto, meaning an insult. Infinitive form, insultuhin. Insultuhin, to insult. Present tense, iniinsulto. Iniinsulto, being insulted or insulting. Past tense, ininsulto. Ininsulto, insulted. Future tense, iinsultuhin. Iinsultuhin, will insult. Root word, kita. Kita, meaning earnings. Infinitive form, kitain. Kitain, to earn. Present tense, kinikita. Kinikita, earning. Past tense, kinita. kinita, earned. Future tense, kikitain, kikitain, will earn. Root word, sampal, sampal, meaning slap. Infinitive form, sampalin, sampalin, to slap someone. Present tense, sinasampal, sinasampal, slapping someone. Past tense, sinampal, sinampal, slapped someone. Future tense, sasampalin, sasampalin, will slap someone. Root word, tanong, tanong, meaning question. Infinitive form, tanungin, tanungin, to ask someone. Present tense, tinatanong, tinatanong, asking someone. Past tense, tinanong, tinanong, asked someone. Future tense, tatanungin, tatanungin, will ask someone. Root word, kamot, kamot, meaning scratch. Infinitive form, kamutin, kamutin, to scratch. Present tense, kinakamot, kinakamot, scratching. Past tense, kinamot, kinamot, scratched. Future tense, kakamutin, kakamutin, will scratch. Root word, kagat, kagat, meaning bite. Infinitive form, kagatin, kagatin, to bite. Present tense, kinakagat, kinakagat, biting. Past tense, kinagat, kinagat, bit. Future tense, kakagatin, kakagatin, will bite. Root word, check, check, meaning check. Infinitive form, check-in, check-in, to check. Present tense, chini-check, chine-check, checking. Past tense, chinek, chinek, checked. Future tense, chechekin, chechekin, will check. Root word, harang, harang, meaning an obstacle. Infinitive form, harangin, harangin, to block or to hold up. Present tense, hinaharang, hinaharang, blocking. Past tense, hinarang, hinarang, blocked. Future tense, haharangin, haharangin, to block. Root word, banggit, banggit, meaning mention. Infinitive form, banggitin, banggitin, to mention. Present tense, binabanggit, binabanggit, being mentioned. Past tense, binanggit, binanggit, mentioned. Future tense, babanggitin, babanggitin, will mention. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more Tagalog language lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again very soon. Maraming salamat po!